Introducing TwinMS, the future of intelligent building management. Today's buildings run on disconnected systems, siloed data, and outdated workflows. The result? Wasted energy, delayed maintenance, and zero real-time insight into what's actually happening inside your facility. TwinMS changes everything. We transform your physical building into a powerful, interactive digital twin, giving you complete visibility, total control, and intelligent automation, all from one unified platform. Experience your building like never before. Our real-time 3D visualization, powered by Unreal Engine, lets you navigate every floor, inspect every system, and monitor live status overlays, all from your browser. Take command of every building system from a single intuitive dashboard. HVAC, lighting, access control, security, all unified, all responsive, all in your hands. Make smarter decisions with powerful analytics. Predictive maintenance keeps you ahead of failures. Energy insights cut waste. And instant alerts ensure nothing goes unnoticed. The buildings of tomorrow are managed today with TwinMS. Visit twinms.com.sa and request your demo now.